Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Fast API. Today we are going to learn about the nested models. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In Fast API, the nested models allow you to define the structure of a complex data within your API, requests and the response. This helps to organize your data efficiently and improves the code readability. In Fast API, you can define the nested Pydantic models need to represent complex data structure with hierarchical relationships. Nested models allow you to organize your data more effectively and enforce stricter validation rules. So let's take an example. Okay, just copy this and let's paste this one. Okay, let's go and just check. So here we have the API. Let's try it out. So here you can see that the structure, the name, employees, and the address. You can see. So here you can see that. So first we have defined the class person, address. First one, that is the base model, that is address. So here it requires street, city, and the zip code, and the person. And here you can see that the address is attached over here. Here you can see, right? And the company, here employees will attach to the person. So this is a hierarchy, and here we are in the response model, we are using the company. Okay, so here you can see, if I just open up like this and just try to hit it execute, here you can see that the response model is like this. Here you can see name, employees object, then address object. Okay, so this is the nested models, like you can use it. Nothing much more on that. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.